Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify income for LendingClub personal loans step by step clearly. To verify your income for LendingClub personal loans, start by gathering necessary documentation. Ensure you have your most recent pay stubs. If you are self-employed, prepare your tax returns for the last 2 years. You may also need your bank statements for the same period. Log into your LendingClub account and navigate to the income verification section. Select the method you prefer for submitting your income verification. If you choose to upload documents, click on the Upload button. Locate the files on your device and select them for upload. Make sure each document is clear and legible. If you prefer income verification through bank statements, connect your bank account. Follow the prompts to securely link your bank account to LendingClub. The system will automatically retrieve your income data. Review all submitted information for accuracy before submission. Once you have confirmed everything is correct, submit your income verification. Wait for confirmation from LendingClub regarding the status of your verification. If additional information is required, check your email or LendingClub messages. Respond promptly to any requests to avoid delays in your loan application. Keep track of your application status through your LendingClub account dashboard. This process ensures that LendingClub can assess your loan eligibility efficiently. Stay organized to make the verification process smoother. By following these steps, you will successfully verify your income for LendingClub personal loans. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.